I'm excited to grow here at County Materials, continue to do the things that I'm doing in the dispatch office as well as plant operations. It's very obvious that County Materials does invest in their team members and their equipment. One of the really neat things that we have in our ready mix trucks is a tablet. So all of our tickets are paperless. Our GPS is through that tablet as well. And the drivers also have a handheld radio that they're able to communicate with. It makes it very simple and easy for the drivers to communicate with us in the dispatch office. Any advice I could give to a new team member, it would just be to work hard, ask questions, and it's not hard to get along with everybody here. So just work hard and enjoy your time.
Put your driving skills and CDL to work delivering ready-mix concrete in Florida. If you enjoy operating high-quality vehicles and equipment, providing top-notch customer service, and thinking on your feet to overcome logistical challenges, this job may be the right fit for you. Ready-mix drivers receive safety training, earn competitive wages, have access to valuable benefits, and are home every night. Learn more about becoming a ready-mix driver by visiting workatcounty.com.